we are going to learn about one of the biggest and most famous companies in the world. The name of this company is Unilever. You may not know this name well, but you probably use their products every day. Maybe you use their soap, their shampoo, their toothpaste, or even their tea. This company is part of daily life for many people around the world. Let us go back in time to the year 1885. That was when a man named William Lever started a business in England. He was a smart and thoughtful man who wanted to help people live better lives. William Lever and his brother James started a company called Lever Brothers. Their goal was to make a good soap that was cheap and easy to use. At that time, soap was expensive. Many poor families did not use soap every day. It was not common for people to wash their hands or their clothes often. William Lever believed that soap could make people healthier and help stop the spread of disease. He wanted to create a product that everyone could buy and use. The soap they made was called Sunlight Soap. This was one of the first soaps that came in a package with a name and a logo. The name Sunlight gave people a warm and clean feeling. It also had a message, soap for clean living. William Lever did not just make the soap. He also advertised it. He used posters, newspapers, and other ways to tell people about Sunlight Soap. This kind of advertising was new at the time. It helped people remember the name and want to try it. He even gave out free bars of soap so that people could try it and tell their friends. Soon, Sunlight Soap became very popular. More and more people started using it. The company grew quickly and started to build more factories. These factories were places where people could work and earn money. Lever Brothers created jobs for many families. Lever Brothers did not stop with just one type of soap. They started to create other products. They made different kinds of soap for different needs. For example, they made a soap for washing clothes, another for washing dishes, and another one for bathing. They also began to sell their products in other countries. People in many places liked the soap. They liked how it worked and how it smelled. This helped the company grow beyond the United Kingdom. More countries meant more customers, more jobs, and more success. The company started to think big and plan for a future that included the whole world. While this was happening in England, something else was happening in the Netherlands, a country also known as Holland. There, another company was growing. This company made margarine. Margarine is a kind of butter made from vegetable oil. At that time, butter was expensive, and many people could not afford it. Margarine was a cheaper choice that people could use for cooking and eating. The company that made margarine was called Margarine Unie. Like Lever Brothers, Margarine Unie wanted to make everyday products for ordinary people. They also cared about health and cleanliness and wanted to make life easier for families. The two companies were on different paths, but they had the same dream to help people and improve daily life. In the year 1930, these two companies decided to join together. They became one big company. The new company was called Unilever. The name came from the two original names, Uni from Margarine Unie and Lever from Lever Brothers. Together, they became Unilever. They believed they would be stronger together than alone. And they were right. With this merger, they had more money, more factories, more workers, and more products. They could share ideas and resources. They could also reach more people around the world. It was a smart move that helped both companies grow quickly. From this point, Unilever began its journey as a truly international company. After they joined, Unilever started to grow even faster. They had more factories. They had more workers. They had more products. They also had more ideas. They made not just soap and margarine, but also other household items. They made food, tea, cleaning products, and beauty items. They also started to sell in other countries. This was the start of their global journey. Unilever became known as a company that cared about people and made things that helped with daily life. Their products were not just useful, they were trusted. People started to feel that Unilever was part of their family. Unilever believed that every country was different. People in each country had their own culture, tastes, and needs. So, Unilever did not just send the same products to every place. They tried to understand each market. They talked to people. They studied how families lived, what they cooked, and what they needed. Then, they made different products for different people. They also made products in the countries where they sold them. This helped them become trusted by local people. It also gave jobs to many workers in many countries. Unilever became part of local communities. In some places, Unilever helped build roads or bring clean water. In others, they helped schools and taught young children about good hygiene. They were not just a business, they became part of life. People saw Unilever as a brand they could trust. As Unilever entered more markets, it adjusted its approach. For instance, in Southeast Asia, where the weather is hot and humid, Unilever made deodorants and powders suited for the climate. In colder places, they offered skin creams that protect against the cold. This careful study of culture and climate made Unilever different from many other companies. It did not expect the world to adapt to it. Instead, it adapted to the world. One of the most important countries for Unilever is India. Unilever came to India very early. Even before Lever Brothers started in England, a British company had already started selling Lifebuoy soap in India in the year 1888. Lifebuoy was a soap that helped fight germs and sickness. It became very popular in India, where clean water and hygiene were important issues. Later, other soap brands like Pears and Lux also arrived. These products became popular with Indian families. Lux was known as a beauty soap. Pears was soft and gentle on the skin. These brands became part of Indian homes. People trusted them and used them for many years. They became household names, known across generations. In the year 1931, Unilever set up its first Indian company. It was called the Hindustan Vanaspati Manufacturing Company. Vanaspati is a type of cooking fat. Soon after that, other companies were also started, including Lever Brothers India and United Traders. In 1956, all these companies joined together to form Hindustan Lever Limited. Many years later, in 2007, the name was changed again. It became Hindustan Unilever Limited. Today, many people call it Huel. It is one of the most trusted companies in India. Its name stands for quality, trust, and care. Huel has more than just products. It has a connection with the people. Its products are found in small villages, busy towns, and big cities. It is everywhere. Hindustan Unilever makes many products for the Indian market. It is one of the biggest companies in India. Millions of people use their products every day. You may know some of the famous brands made by Ho. These include soaps like Lifebuoy and Lux, shampoos like Clinic Plus and Dove, toothpaste like Pepsodent, and washing powders like Surf Excel. They also make tea under the names Brook Bond and Taj Mahal. They make ice cream under the name Quality Walls. And they make face creams like Pond's and Fair and Lovely. These are just a few of the popular products. They also make cooking items like Kissan Ketchup, Knorr soups, and brew coffee. In every Indian home, one can find at least one product made by Ho. From the kitchen to the bathroom, Ho has something for every need. Unilever does not just sell products. They also work to improve lives. They try to help people live healthier and cleaner lives. They also care about the environment. They want to make sure that their products are safe and their factories do not harm nature. They want to reduce waste and use less water and energy. They are finding new ways to use fewer chemicals and more natural ingredients. They are also working to make packaging that is easier to recycle. They are thinking about tomorrow, and they are making changes today. They are trying to build a future where people and nature live in balance. Their goal is to do business in a way that is fair and kind. In India, Hool started a program called Project Shakti. This program helps women in rural areas. These women become small business owners. They sell Unilever products in their villages. They earn money and learn new skills. It helps their families and their communities. Thousands of women have become part of this program. This is one way Unilever supports people and creates change. Women gain confidence. Their children go to school. Their lives improve in many ways. Families become stronger, and villages grow together. The company becomes a friend, not just a seller. These women are called Shakti Amas, and they are leaders in their villages. Their success shows how business can help people. Unilever also works on education. They teach people about hand washing, clean drinking water, and better nutrition. These small actions can save lives. They can stop disease and make children healthier. Unilever wants to be more than just a company. They want to be a force for good. They want to help build a better world for everyone. They have programs for schools and work with teachers to share knowledge about health and hygiene. They also support farmers by helping them grow better crops and use water wisely. These actions are not about profit. They are about people. They are about kindness and growth. When people learn, they grow. And when people grow, communities grow too. Unilever also believes in the power of brands. Their brands are more than just names. People trust them. People feel happy and safe when they use them. For example, Dove is a soap that is soft and gentle. It is for people who care about their skin. Lifebuoy is for people who want to protect their health. Surf Excel is for families who want clean clothes. Each brand tells a story. These stories connect with people's lives and emotions. They remind people of home, family, and care. That connection is what makes Unilever special. Their products are more than items. They are part of memories. A scent, a feeling, or a color on a package can bring back moments from childhood. That is the power of brands. The company continues to grow. Today, Unilever sells more than 400 brands in more than 190 countries. Every day, over 3 billion people use a Unilever product. That means almost half of the people in the world. This is a huge number. From big cities to small villages, from modern stores to tiny shops, Unilever products are everywhere. People use them in the morning, afternoon, and night. They are part of daily life from the moment someone wakes up to the moment they go to sleep. This global reach comes with great responsibility, and Unilever tries hard to do the right thing for everyone. As the world changes, Unilever changes too. They learn, they adapt, and they keep growing. Even though Unilever is big, it still focuses on simple ideas. The company wants to make life better for people. It wants to make products that are good, safe, and easy to use. It wants to protect the planet. It wants to help people make good choices. It works with partners, governments, and local groups to make this happen. It also listens to customers and changes when needed. This is how it stays strong, year after year. It grows, but it never forgets its roots. It remembers the vision of William Lever, to make life better for everyone. That vision is still alive today. Unilever is also changing with the times. Today, people want more natural products. They care about ingredients. They want companies to care about animals, forests, and the climate. Unilever listens to these people. They're working to remove harmful chemicals. They're using more plants. They're trying to make packaging that is better for the earth. They're moving toward a future where doing business also means doing good. In this way, Unilever hopes to be a leader not just in sales, but in goodness too. They want to inspire other companies to follow the same path. The journey of Unilever is not just about soap and tea. It is about ideas. It is about caring. It is about growing with the world and helping others grow too. From a small soap factory in England to a global company that touches lives every day, Unilever has come a long way. It has grown with honesty, with care, and with a clear mission to do better. And this mission continues every single day in every corner of the world. Their story is not over. It is still being written one good deed at a time. This is the story of Unilever. It is a story of hard work, smart thinking, and a heart that wants to help. And as long as people need clean hands, healthy food, and happy families, Unilever will keep going forward. Thank you for listening to this story. We hope you enjoyed learning about Unilever and how it became a part of everyday life. Until next time, goodbye.